Stay to the left to loop 1 north.
Or whatever. And later on today, we have the meet and greet. We're on our way right now. I think we're gonna go look at some houses before the meet and greet. So we're gonna get there.
Exit right to I-35 North. Way to go.
Okay, we're in Killeen and we're about to go look at some houses. We got like a list of houses that this realtor company gave us, and we got the keys. No, I'm just playing, but we got the key to go check out the houses, and they all open the same door, I guess, the same key. And we're gonna knock that out real quick. We got like 2 hours, and then we're gonna go to the meet and greet. So let's go look at some houses, y'all.
Oh, look at that White House.
Pretty.
Look at that big old house.
What is it? Wow. I love, hold on, Mimi. I love these blinds. We have them at home in our house. I don't know what it is, but it's something, are they plantation blinds? I don't know what they're called. I think they're called plantation. I love these. Wait, Mimi. Jesus. Ooh, I want this house right now. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, my God.
This shit is like well ventilated.
Oh, it feels so good.
I like this.
Like you don't get no sun, you just get in the air. And it has room for the trampoline out there.
Hey!
What's that? Is it just the wall?
Yeah.
Oh, oh shit.
Oh, they're moving.
Oh, I was supposed to say no.
Your thing is open.
Oh.
Your chef. I said your chef.
Right. This is my, yup, this is, yup. Speaking to, this is mine. Look. Oh, and it has a double, first of all, this island's cute. It has the double, yes, and she'll be cooking. Oh, she will be cooking.
Oh my gosh, this is your pantry.
I wonder if it comes with a, I mean, we have a refrigerator and a stove.
Oh, watch.
That probably goes to the, garage. Oh, I like that the wash and dryer is downstairs.
Like the house in Florida. This is weird.
That's cute. Is it electric? The garage? But if you push
Yeah, it's electric.
Oh shit. Yep, that's what I needed. That's it right there, folks. What is this? It's more just space.
Yeah.
What's that door go to?
The air conditioner, water heater.
So I wonder if they come with a refrigerator and a stove, because we had to buy ours at our house. Where does the stove go? Oh, that is the stove. No, that's the stove.
Oh.
So that's the stove. That's the oven. That's the stove.
Look at the stove. That's cool.
I'm like, where's the stove go? Okay, so I wonder if I have to, I mean, we could bring our refrigerator. I really didn't want to, but it's black. So that'll match. Oh my God, I love this house. Uriah's gonna hate me. I'm gonna be like, okay, so we're moving in December. Is this the bathroom? Yeah. This is cute. I could just throw the kids outside.
Up there.
Yeah, that's cute.
Oh, this is nice.
You just throw the kids outside. This is a 3-bedroom. This is a 3-bedroom, right? That's gonna be the only, but I know the room's probably huge. Look at that. Yeah, and that's the one to go outside, the patio. Yes, honey. And I like the high ceilings. High ceilings. Yes, say yes. Yes. I think it goes in, oh no, I was about to say it goes to the next room. This is nice. She will be out here.
Can you hold this?
Just relaxing. Just looking over the,
Yes, I got it.
looking over the houses like, oh.
Mom, you hold me, Mama.
No, I just wanted to hold myself. That's it.
Look at the French doors.
That's what we have in our, oh yes. That was what I didn't want to leave. This is exactly what we have. It has the pieces of, oh my God. It has the pieces of my house that I love in my house right now. That's nice.
You know, private toilet.
Right, off to the side. Yes, I love this. Isn't this what we saw in the thing? And I was like, ooh. where the bathroom has a little thing. Ladies, you can take the shower head off. Take the shower. You don't know about taking the shower head off? This is big. Where?
Oh, it's 2 closets. Let me find out this Uriah closet. This is a big spider. Look at
Where?
this.
You stupid. You sound like Steve the crocodile hunter. Look at it. It's big as hell. You got it right. As you approach the tiger off to the left and its habitat. You gotta go, sir. Eviction. You can't stay here. This is nice.
Whoa.
And it has jets. And I like the way that the window is.
You think you can open
Uriah can't fit in this tub, but it's okay.
Oh.
It's fine, because I will. I'll be just fine. No, it's good. It's good.
You can fit in this
It's
tub.
good.
Which one's yours? That one?
Hmm.
That way because I want it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. She said we already looked in here. Oh, and it has the little low windows. So cute. So she can see.
View.
That's cute. You see the view, girl. This is cute. How much was this? $15.75? This is nice.
This is $14.50.
Oh. See? Yeah, I think if I get a 3-bedroom, the girls would just definitely be in one room.
Yeah, this is
I'll figure it out.
$14.50.
Oh, 14. It went down even lower, honey. Ooh. I love it. Look, I love when a house have detail.
I need to clean that.
You don't. Unless you get one of those long, yeah, those long fluffer. Oh yeah, over there.
Yep.
Duh. This is cute. Yeah, y'all didn't see it. I love it. I'm so.
Alright, come on guys, let's go look at another one.
Oh, my house. And it was fenced in, y'all. I love that the backyard because the girls can just be back there playing and stuff, and I don't have to worry about it.
This is weird.
The way that this is. Yeah. That's cute. Oh. Honey, we're home. Ooh. This has a little office off to the side. We're just getting all types of it. Is that a bathroom in there? What's that? Oh, it opens to the rest of the house. The bath. It does smoke in here. It's a bathroom. Another shower head that moves. So closer. Oh yeah. This is. Oh, it's high ceiling. Let's close off there. That's the garage. Who, Mimi? Not who body. 1 bedroom. Okay.
Turn the kitchen light on.
It's okay. 2 bedrooms. It was 4, right?
We can.
Yeah, this is nice. Really nice. Oh, it has a little patio thing. Where does that go to? Oh, the pantry? I like how big this kitchen is. Spacious. And I like the fireplace. Huh? What is that called? Gazebo? Yeah, gazebo. There you go. She's smart. She's in college. That's all you learned?
Friends?
No, Mimi.
None of your move, girl.
I like this one too.
Oh, it is.
This is the master?
Here's the beginning.
I don't like the blue though. For the master.
That one was bigger.
Yeah. Bathroom. The tub's bigger though, but it's dirty.
Yeah.
And the shower isn't as extravagant.
Did the other bathroom have double sinks?
Yeah, I think it is. Oh, I like that it has a little.
I like that there's things in her closets too.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. There's this one I gotta share. Never learned how to share, huh? not good at sharing, so that closet isn't enough for me.
But it's not.
Yeah. Right. It's not bad at all. It's doable. Especially because there was 4 bedrooms, right? Was it? It was 4, well, 4 counting the that one.
This is an bedroom.
I know, it's an office. I like this.
I guess it could be.
It's gonna be an office if we lived here. Hold on, Mimi.
Wait.
And it's downstairs. This house is cute. You can see like everything down there. This is the house. Maybe.
What for your wings?
I like those shutters. That looks like the bat symbol. This is cute. I like it has a screen door. We need screen doors. Oh, be careful. Alright. Oh, that curtain. Got the little closet. What's up with this blue? Huh? Dining room. Like formal dining room you're not supposed to sit at. Oh, that's cute. But what is up with this blue though? I think someone must have just moved out of here.
Yeah.
What? The pantry ain't shit compared to the other house. I don't like white appliances for real. Yeah. I don't like. I like that it has a French door.
I don't like the feng shui.
Get the blue. That's what I said. Like, what is this? And then this is like old. The fan looks old too, but that fireplace is beautiful.
Secret door we can't open.
This one? Maybe. Is there a basement? Uh-oh. What's that go to? Oh, for the wash and dry and stuff. Somebody didn't want to open the door. I like this brown, the brown, what's it called? Carpet on the steps. It does look like older. Like this, it definitely looks older. Oh, it's hot up here. This is big.
Oh, it looks like a little dance studio. Like you could be on YouTube.
Right. Is this the master, I guess?
Right.
That's cute. Ew! These damn blue, I couldn't do it. All these blue walls. Like, it could have been amazing in here. I could not with these blue walls like this. Like, this looked like a grandma's, like, toilet. Just like grandma just be sitting here like doing it. You turn the corner and she just sitting right there like, hey guys. This is definitely a grandma house with these curtains and stuff. Somebody grandma just moved out this house. Who grandma moved out this house? I know. Hey, get it. Hey, get it. Hey, get it. Ooh, ooh. Is it 4 bedrooms right here?
3.
Yeah, the rooms are big though. Nope, this is negative.
Why you got a TV stand in the bathroom?
Oh my goodness. See, another old ass. This is grandpa's bathroom. That's ridiculous. Oh, be careful. All right, come on, it's hot. I'm telling y'all something. One of y'all grandparents moved out of this house in Killeen. I know. So negative X. That first house is doing everything for us. What, baby? She gets so mad when I don't listen. Go ahead. Go ahead, I'm listening.
Every time we go in houses, there's lights on.
Yeah.
I don't know who body turned down.
Who, mommy? Not who body. Who? Who? I know you said, she says, the teacher says it's no reason to correct her because she's just gonna keep saying what she does. She's been doing it for a year. She says who body, like anybody and nobody. But who told her it was who body? That's what I don't. Myself. Okay. All right. She just decided anybody, nobody is who body. So. It's who body. Right. At least it's like something she made up in her head. So. Whew, it feels better outside than it did in there. Isn't that cute?
You got the door?